Me, but it do look like he got one though, so I can see why you guys are saying that.
Yeah, man. Welcome to Beach Down City, man. Home of the water, the home of the waves, man. Go get your shit up, man. Feel me? 100% authentic brush, 100% authentic water. You feel me?
Shit different though. Came in front.
Dude.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy.
What's good, PB gang? Wave Clout Gang, what it do, man? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, man. Coming at y'all with another video. And this video right here, man, is a reaction video. We're gonna chop it up, man. We're gonna talk about this waiver that's always brought up all the time, bro. All the time, man. Y'all niggas bring this nigga up all the time, man. To the point where I just was like, let me just do a reaction to a video that he had did a while back or whatever. We're gonna check out to see for ourselves. Well, for me, y'all basically get my reaction, my thoughts on his hair. You know, being that I'm a real elite waver, you feel me? Y'all know I do this wave shit. This is me, you feel me? So I had to do this video, you feel me? Since I'm, you know, also I have a page, you feel me, on Naturally Waves, you guys know, on Facebook group, on Facebook, called Naturally Waves. You guys can go join that. The link will be in the description box below. I could join that page right now if y'all want. A lot of love over there, you feel me? But in my group, you guys always bring this nigga up, man. His name is Deyonte Hunter. You feel me? His Instagram name is Tatted I'm Tatted. His name Deyonte Hunter. He's a waver as well, and I think he rapping shit too. You feel me? Well, he does rap or whatever too. And you guys always say, man, all the time, bro. It's been years though, like for like 3 years since I've been having my own page, and nigga, I always see this nigga brought up like, do he got a kid? Like it's always a kid debate or whatever. Do we have one or whatever? So I'm doing a video on it right now, so you guys can know my feelings about it, how I feel about it, if he got a kid or not. So y'all keep it locked, man. You already know, gang. All right, y'all. If y'all didn't know too, as well, me and him did like a kind of like a collab video, like about a while back, probably like a year and some change ago. And this is when I first made my Instagram, because you guys know I was in the game for a while before I made an Instagram page. You know, and the reason why I made an Instagram page is because to basically grow a little more, you feel me, to get like more of a fan base. You know, because social media, it does help with that. And I just had a YouTube and a Facebook, that's it. You know, my girl, she used to trip on me having Instagram, you feel me? So she finally was like, okay, you can have one. So I made one anyways. So my followers was low, but he knew about me already, you feel me? A lot of people already knew about me already because I was still like, you feel me, buzzing in the wave streets. You know, see, he a waver, so he knew who I was. Anyways, he had hit me up one day, was like, you know, I know you're doing good on YouTube or whatnot. I watch your stuff, you feel me? You know, I look up to you, such and such. You know, I want to feature one of my songs. I want you to feature one of my songs in your video. That's how I went. And I was like, okay, this is a while ago. I was like, okay, for sure. You know what I'm saying? All right, but if I do this, you know, at the time, like I said, I didn't have that much followers. I had just started my Instagram. I was like, if I do this, bro, you know, can you show love? And basically, because he had dumb followers. Like, I think at the time he had like 70K or something. You know what I'm saying? I only had a little bit, so I was trying to get some of them followers, you feel me? Like, be a waiver and stuff, you feel me? So all I said was, if I feature your music in my video, I want you to, you know, basically put my shit up, like, to let them know to follow, you feel me? Put the link in your profile bio and let them know to watch the video and to follow me, so I can get some more followers, to get a little, you know, a little kickstart for me, because that's when I didn't really have that much. Even though, you know, I was still buzzing on YouTube, but you know, it's different when YouTube and Instagram. You would think. I mean, it's a lot of people who got hella followers on YouTube and got a little bit of followers on Instagram. I'm just saying. So anyways, man, that was the agreement or whatever. And then after I did the video or whatever, the video did okay, you feel me? People was asking, you know, I put the link in my description of his music and all that. Like, you guys can go there, purchase his stuff and all that. And you know, after that, he just never fucked with me. Like, he just, like, it was agreement. You feel me? We didn't sign no papers or nothing, but you know what I'm saying? It was agreement, and he never hit me back, and he just kept ignoring my shit. You feel me? I was like, damn, that's fucked up. You feel me? Like, damn, nigga, like, I got an agreement or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? He never shouted me out. You feel me? Or nothing after that, and that was the agreement. So, you know, that's how it went down with me and him. But I had no feelings. I don't hold grudges, you feel me? So I don't care about that. But I just thought I'd let you guys know, you know what I'm saying, know that or whatever. Yeah, so anyways, man, let's see this video right here, bro.
That when you pop it right there, you do what you want when you dive it, you do what you want when you pop it, you do what you want, you hop out that tub, the shower, you feel me? Look at that on the third. Niggas know, bitches know, you feel me? I see him looking at Ty, hey, she gonna fuck with his man, hey. I mean, it's the beast down, man. Welcome to the beast down.
I don't know, bro. It's people that got silky hair, bro. It's people who have silky hair, yes. But he just had water in his hair and he brushing it and it's just laying down like that. And you know, you could tell he is mixed. I don't know, with Dominican or whatnot or whatever, because you could tell he mixed. So it's a possibility that his waves can be, you know, real or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Not they real, but I'm talking about like not kidded or whatever. Kid is a wave texturizer or whatnot. You know, it could be that. You know what I'm saying? It could be that, or he could not have one. I don't know. But, you know, you guys always be like, oh, man, this thing got a kid. This thing got a kid. I don't know, bro, if he do or not. You feel me? But it do look like he got one, though, so I can see why you guys are saying that.
Yeah, man. Welcome to Beast Down City, man. Home of the water, the home of the waves, man. Go get your shit up, man. Feel me? 100% authentic brush. 100% authentic water. You feel me?
Shit different, though. Came in front.
Dude. Beast in the left, man.
Okay, real fake waves. Y'all see what I see, right? Real or fake waves. It's like a vlog. Should I click on it? Should we watch it? I didn't even know he had this at his next video as a suggestion. Fuck it, we gonna watch this shit together. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying?
Show them shits, man.
But his waves.
Come on, man.
Hold on, we gonna see right now, nigga. Real or fake? Let's see. I'm gonna have to keep stopping it though because I ain't finna get no copyrights on me. But look how silky that's, bro. People be like, oh, his hairline, this and that, everything written on. It can't be written on, bro, if it's like a video though. And his pictures, it do be looking like it's written on, but this is a clear video, like footage. You know what I'm saying? This nigga walking. I don't know, bro.
Hey, what's up? It's your boy Deyonte, and you was now tuned in with me. And I'm in tune with you, Mr. MCM, Mr. WCW, Mr. Wave King, Mr. Rap King, Hook King, everything. You feel me? The man of all trades, you.
That nigga cocky though, bro. But I'm telling you, my nigga, the conversation we was having and shit in the inbox and the DMs and shit, he seemed like a cool nigga, you feel me? I just didn't respect that he did that. Like, he didn't do what he was supposed to do, you feel me? You know, I did a favor for him, you feel me, and did that, but he didn't return back the favor. I mean, it wasn't a big deal to me. And like I said, I ain't doing this video to put him out there like that. It's just something I thought about as I was doing it right now. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all know I don't like exposing people or nothing like that. It ain't really exposing nothing anyways, because it ain't that serious, you feel me? Y'all already know what it is, but yeah, I don't know about his, I don't know, bro. Like, that nigga cocky as fuck though, but I like niggas like that, bro. Because if you got the, if you got the, all the hoes, you got the bitches, and you know you got the clout, fuck it, why not be how you are, you feel me?
You in tune with me, so I'm in tune with y'all, so I just want to tell all my fans, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all.
Okay.
Questions people ask me every day, you know, people want to know if my wave is real, if they fake, you know, what I put in my hair, how I lay it down, like, what kind of brush I use, you know, it ain't no secret. It's real, it's legit. 100% authentic water, 100% authentic brush.
Hey, also, my nigga, on everything, bro, I remember this, bro. Somebody had posted something like when he had, like before he had like waves like this, it showed like his regular texture, like it was like a coarser hair texture. I don't know, my nigga. I remember seeing something like that, but I didn't look really into it, so I didn't screenshot it or nothing like that. Cause I don't really be doing the screenshots and all that other shit. It ain't that serious to me. But I should have did it that time so I can do it before and after, so y'all could see. And y'all, if y'all, it depends if y'all, you know what I'm saying, how y'all feel about the shit. You feel me? But Yeah, man. Like I say, man, nigga, I ain't got nothing wrong with it. I ain't got no problem with him. You feel me? I feel like his waves, if they fake, my nigga, they fake. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Cause at the end of the day, you gotta brush your hair to get waves. You're not gonna you're not gonna put a kid in your hair. You're gonna waves are gonna automatically form. They're not gonna do that. No, you have to brush your hair regardless. So if he got a kit, that's him. You know what I'm saying? He brushing his own hair. I ain't brushing that shit for him. I don't care if he have one or not. But like I said, shit, if he got one,
You know,
I don't give a fuck. But it looked like one low key. You know what I'm saying?
No secret at all. Just Mr. Wavy, Mr. 720, 180 Ps, 4K down. Another question is, what's up with the music? You know, the music is actually going real good. Like, I just how I do music. I just do music based off of how it comes, like, you know, everyday life, on my environment, what I see, so what I take in. So if I'm going through a certain thing and it's just...
Come on, bro. I don't know, my nigga. He probably had waves for a long time, too. You had waves for years. Like, I'm talking about like 5-6 years plus. Texture do change because of you brushing and all that, but that nigga lineup is crispy as fuck, my nigga. I can't even front, my nigga. Don't even front, y'all. Y'all see that lineup is crispy as fuck, my nigga. But, you know, his connections, he got some good connections, but he does have a lot of forks, you know what I'm saying? So, I could tell he don't really brush in the mirror like that, you know what I'm saying? But he do take care of his shit. Regardless, he got waves, so, whatever. But, yeah, my nigga, his lineup on point. I like that fade, too, but I can't do a fade, though. I don't think right here he got a fade, actually. I think this probably old. How long ago was this? Oh, it's in 2016. Yeah, this before he got the fade. Okay, this shit old, but
specific time that my music is going to sound like what I'm going through. Or if I'm just feeling like I want to be turned up or I'm partying, then the music is definitely going to be more turned up and lit. My music is my emotion. My music is my aspiration. My music is everything. My music is my outlet. My music is my door.
hold on. That nigga shit silky though, dog. I don't know, man. I mean, I didn't look though, like just stop and look and think, like, fuck, is it one? Man, it's hard to tell, bro. It do look like it's one though. I ain't gonna front, my nigga. It do look like it's one. I ain't gonna think too hard to care though. Shit.
My music is my door.
I know I'm wavy.
Get through to whatever I need to get.
You know what I'm saying? I know I'm wavy.
The music is definitely coming. I got an EP coming soon. I'm working on. Where I'm gonna give y'all like at least 10 exclusive tracks.
But we gonna fast forward some shit though, man. We gonna see. Who is Deyonte? Favorite NBA player. I need to do some shit like this, man. I need to do some. Oh me. Do y'all see what I see? It looked like he used gel, my nigga. I think that's what it is. He probably used gel. You know, like, remember that grill method? That method that grill had did? You feel me? With the gel and shit. I think that's probably what he do on the low. Put like a lot of gel and shit. That's what it looked like. Look, you can see right here. It looked like he make his line and shit. You know, I remember how she did it? With like, kind of like, combed it down and then used the comb, the edge of the comb to make their own line and shit. I think that's what he did, bro. On everything, man. That's what it looked like. Shit. For real, bro. I don't know. I don't know. Them earrings is icy, though.
Sorry, I don't know the answer to that one.
Wow.
But man, I don't. It look.
I'm sorry, LeBron. LeBron is my favorite basketball player.
But this on some other shit. We just want to see his hair and shit. We not really, you feel me? Where do you shop at?
I'll show y'all where I go and where I get some of my little latest fact.
But on a side note though, bro, this is a hard little, you know what I'm saying, interview type shit. I'm gonna fuck around and do something like this. This is cool. This is cool, bro. On me, that's inspired me to do a video like this. You know what I'm saying? I ask you little questions or whatnot. You know You feel me? I already shoot 4K. This 4K footage too right here. This is dope. See 4K down there? On me.
Actions from I take y'all on the trip.
Man.
Hey, yo, shout out to Black Diamond.
On me, dog. No. I wonder if he got a crown though. Y'all see how I look right here? It look like, I don't know if his crown small. Well, I can't really tell. But yeah, man. I don't know. That's it for the video, man. I ain't gonna keep it going forever. That's it for the video. But how I feel about it, my honest thoughts about it, you know what I'm saying, about do we have a kid or not? I don't really know. You feel me? It kind of look like it, but then it kind of don't, because it could be a lot of gel. Because when that gel method that old girl had did, you know what I'm saying? If y'all don't know, it's like, I did a video on that. It's like a reaction to her method. It's like a reaction to this girl. She put a whole gang of gel in her hair, and it looked just like that. So it could be a lot of gel. He could just be using gel, we not knowing, you feel me? But who really cares? I don't really care. As long as I'm elite and my hair wavy and I'm not putting a kid in my hair, I can care less of what he does. Or the next man have a kid or whatever. Because at the end of the day, you got to put that brushwork in to get your waves how you want it to be and become an elite waver. A kid is only temporary. You feel me? It's only temporary. You know what I'm saying? Meaning that when you put the kid in, your hair, your regular natural hair texture is going to grow in eventually, and it's going to go back to that. So you're going to have to keep putting kits in your hair every week, and then you're going to end up being bald. So it's like, if you've been putting the kid in that long, then he should be bald by now. His crown should be thin. He should be, so I don't really know, bro. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I really don't care, you know, and also about the other situation that I said earlier, I don't care about that either because I don't hold grudges or whatnot. I just want to do a video on his hair, my thoughts, so you guys can know how I feel about it, because you guys really be buzzing. It be buzzing on the pages like, man, every time y'all always bring him up. Do we got a kid? Debating this shit and all this shit. So I said, why not just do a video on it, man? But I hope y'all like this shit, man. If y'all like it, man, hit the like button, please, man. Y'all thoughts below, how y'all feel about it. All right. If you're new tuning into the channel, I'm talking too fast. Please subscribe to the channel, man. More videos like this coming soon, y'all. I told y'all, man, I'm reacting to everything, bro. Everything. A lot of wave shit, a lot of hair, everything hair related, everything, whatever. That new Nipsey came out too today. I might do a couple reactions to that victory lap. You feel me? Y'all know about Nipsey Hussle? West Coast, you already know what it is, man. But yeah, I'm out of here, man. Deuces.
All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life I've been grinding all my life.